Wait, so now go.
Okay, hello. This is about electric dance wheel. So it's a hoverboard, but kind of different.
Alright, so this is a hoverboard that you ordered on Amazon. And it was around $135. And this is just a product review on it. So, what do you think about it?
It's smooth when you ride it, and it's cooler because it has lights and it's Bluetooth, so you put music on, and it has the speaker, and also it tells you if it's low battery. And also the best things about this, if you weigh over 220 pounds, you might break this. No, it doesn't break it, it means it goes slower.
Okay, so just show them how to use it.
Okay.
In the way.
Alright, so...
Okay, so when you use it, this thing. Some people are very scared, it's true, because I don't feel trusted to do this sometimes. So you tell someone to help me. So you put one foot and hop on the other. So you go forward, you have to lean a little bit, I think. When you go forward, you lean back a little bit. And you turn, you put more pressure on the other foot.
Alright, so yeah, so basically they're saying have somebody hold your hand to begin with so you don't fall. And then once you get used to it, then you can let go. It's a balancing thing that you have to feel. It's similar, I think it's similar to like learning how to ride a bike. Like at first, you're going to fall off a few times maybe. And then you learn, and then you get the hang of it, and then you won't fall off anymore.
And also to go forward, I tell some people to point their toes, or I tell them to lean. They're both good ways, but the strange thing, if you put more weight on the other foot, like if you put more weight on right, you turn left. So you're turning the opposite. Oh, not reverse it. I'm sorry. Straight.
Alright, so to go forward, what do? You lean forward?
Or point your toes.
Point your toes or you lean forward. How do you go backwards?
It's pretty hard to do it, so you use your heels and then go back.
Use your heels to move to go back.
Yeah.
Like this heel.
Okay. So how do you move to the right, turn to the right?
When your right foot has to lean more.
Put more weight onto your right foot to go right. Put more weight on the left foot to go left. Alright, let's see Angelina use it.
I want to use it.
And then we'll have Ken and then we'll have Brandon.
Yep.
So you have to get on pretty quick, right?
Yep. If you do too late, it's going to wobble.
Yeah.
Wobble.
And it goes about 6 miles per hour.
6 miles per hour.
You charge it, you just plug it into the wall to charge it. I charged it overnight. And then,
Careful, but do not charge it when it's heated.
Don't overcharge it.
Don't overcharge it.
Yeah. Or it's going to explode.
Alright, let's have Ken try it.
You don't want to explode your
There's
house,
another trick
so
like this.
careful.
Should I risk it?
I'll put the link at the description section of this video so you can check out the one that we got.
There's a white
It's
one.
pretty cool. I like it. It works. It helps you work balance. Even Ken learned how to use it.
You know, you almost fell
Ken is 6 years old. Yeah, I almost fell off of it.
And me, I fell off of it.
Ken is 6. Angelina is how old?
You're not knowing my age yet.
I'm asking you so you could tell people. They don't know how old you are. You're 11. Brandon, how old are you?
13.
And Keo, how old are you? 10.
14.
Alright, so now Brandon's using it.
I got it. You can't use them. You can do that?
It's cool because it really helps you work balance. It's kind of fun actually.
But it's worth it. I hate falling. Hate falling? Who doesn't like falling? Oh, what if you break your back or sprain your ankle like me? I sprain my ankle all the time. Really?
This must be T-pose. This is how T-pose looks like right
It's cool because it works your balancing, but then at the same time, it's kind of like being lazy because you don't walk at all.
The hoverboard.
Hey, I want my
Cup of coffee.
Hoverboard, move.
Use a hoverboard. My hoverboard can't move.
It supposedly it connects to Bluetooth and you can play music.
Yeah. Wee out.
All right, so what are your thoughts, final thoughts on the product?
It's cool. I like it because it's smooth. It has LED lights. It's Bluetooth. It has a speaker. It tells that it's on. And it tells you what is the charger right there in the middle. And it's pretty fast because it's 6 miles per hour. And it's faster if you weight lighter.
It says it holds up to 220 pounds, and I think the minimum weight they're saying is like 46 pounds. But Ken, I think he weighs even less than that, and it still works.
I know.
And it says that you have to be 12 years old, and Keel's not 12, and it still works for him. So
Same with Ken.
yeah, Ken's like 6 years old, and it still works for him.
He's halfway to 12.
Just be careful when you're outside, because you don't want to get hit by a car.
I think it's for the
Make
kids.
sure you know what you're doing. And also be careful, bring it outside, somebody might steal it from you.
And then slice up. This is how people get random food. Oh, okay. Some people are Some people are possible because you got.
All right, so that's the hoverboard product review.
My dad.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. I got time.